70s house behind us. Julie and I have lived here for a very long time. The roof was the original roof, unpainted corrugated iron, and the fact that it survived for that long was amazing. But we got to the situation where it was just untenable. We couldn't do anything with it. Roofs, I don't know anything about roofs. I don't even know anyone that had a roof done. But so I came across this Instagram post about Roofbuddy. I thought, well, maybe I could just send it. And next minute, I got a message back from Roofbuddy saying, listen, I'm quite happy to come and give you an idea about what we could do. So this Finn guy turned up. He just worked out a time that suited. And then he turned up and we stood in the street here and he looked at the roof and he said, he was very kind because I thought I could do something special and clever with it. And Finn just said, no, I'm afraid, guess what? The roof's a bit had it. He didn't have to do a measurement of it. He just did a drone, or like a measurement from the satellite thing. And he gave us, next thing we had 3 quotes in my inbox. And he said, choose one and we'll organise this for you. And that's what he did. And next minute, we got a new roof. I communicated with Finn on an almost sort of straight up basis. I'd send him a message or I could ring him and he basically got back almost straight away. There were a number of issues that we had with, are you sure we're doing the right thing? And when are the guys coming? Because of the roofers, the weather and all that sort of thing and supplies, there was sort of, it's hard to pin them down sometimes, but Finn was able to help us with when they were coming and what was happening. He did explain that we had the 3 quotes that he gave us were cheapest and most expensive and then one in the middle. We went for the one in the middle. Probably the third one, the most expensive, was quite a lot more. Not much more, but in hindsight we probably should have gone with the more expensive. Simply not because the job was no good or anything, but just because, I don't know, we were reluctant to spend the money when we should have spent the money because it's a roof. Using Roofbuddy was really easy, and I've never had my roof redone, but I've heard stories about people who've had roof cowboys. I'm not sure whether that's true. For me, the Roofbuddy was so easy because I had an intermediary person, and the person I dealt with, he was so available and knowledgeable and just let us know the whole process and made it so easy. To the point where we got our daughter's roof done as well.